Hi, grade 4 parents and students. Here we are with January 14th grade 4 Gazette. As usual, I'll go through our learning objectives for the week and then go through some general announcements. So this week in reading, we will explore fact and opinion through a narrative nonfiction text entitled So You Want to Be an Inventor. In writing, students are completing their second round of persuasive essays and presenting their topics to homerooms. We will be having a little in-class competition with our persuasive essays. The top 5 students from each class will be selected, and students will have an opportunity to vote for their favorite persuasive speech. The winner from each section will present their topics to administration in the auditorium and have a chance to impact school-wide change with their powerful persuasive essays. We are really excited about this. Like we said, students are writing their second persuasive essay, but this time they're writing their essays in about 3 to 4 days. Students will also orally give a speech about their essay and try to persuade their class. So it's an exciting time for writing. In math, students will continue working on division using 2- and 4-digit quotients. In social studies, the students will be presenting their travel brochures that they made and reading aloud their imaginative story about having visited their country. This will wrap up their geography units, and they'll be returning to science and learning about rock fossils and rock formations. And the SST corner. If there's a book that you want to read, but it hasn't been written yet, then you must write it. And that's a quote from Toni Morrison. As we jump back into school and writing, allow your students access to writing materials at home. Encourage and support their ideas for stories or characters. Foster their ideas and urge them to write a story. The more students fall in love with writing, whether it be fictional stories or essays, the stronger your student becomes in all academic areas. Over here, Happy New Year. We have done a lot of reflecting on 2018 and goal planning for we've done a lot of reflecting on 2017 and goal planning for 2018. At AIS, we believe in the idea of raising student achievement every day in every way. We don't ask students to be perfect, we just ask that they try their best. Discuss with your child some of the goals they would like to accomplish for the remainder of the school year. What small change can they make today that will help them have an even better tomorrow? Mark your calendars, January 18th and the 21st, in-class persuasive presentations and votes. January 24th will be our persuasive panel, and January 25th, we do not have school. And over here is a little explanation of what the persuasive panel is, but essentially, students will be presenting their persuasive essays next week. Students will have a chance to share their ideas with their classes in a 2-minute presentation. The top 5 students who present their topics in the most persuasive and eloquent way will be selected to participate in a class-wide vote. Each student individually will vote for the one student they think will best present their ideas to a persuasive panel made up of AIS administrators in the auditorium on January 24th. These students will have a chance at influencing real school-wide change. Students have worked so hard on topics they're passionate about, and we are so proud of the work they have done up to this point. So again, we are very excited for our persuasive panel and for writing. We hope you have an excellent week, and we'll see you next week.